Hi everyone, that's great. We've done it. We've reached 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe it, and I just wanted to thank every single one of you that subscribed. Amazing. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I found out just as I was about to board a plane to Lanzarote, which is where I am now. I'll show you. I'm on Los Poquios Beach. Let me just switch the camera around. It's about 4:30. Anyway, I just wanted to say a huge thank you. I've got loads more videos coming up. I've got a backlog of videos to come out, so keep watching. And once again, a huge thank you for subscribing. And if you've not subscribed for any strange reason, you know what to do. See you all again soon. Thank you. Bye. I'm going to leave you with a little bit of the sea.